officially appointing them voivodas, the Chetnik title for duke. We find one of Šešel's dukes in Grbavica, a Serbian-held suburb in Sarajevo.
He says, nice to meet you.
The militia attracts volunteers from all over the world.
Where are you from?
New York.
You're from New York?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
I was here in the summer, winter, and now with Vojvoda's brigade up on Jewish cemetery.
They are a law unto themselves, converted to the creed of Greater Serbia and armed with the help of Milosevic, but they are now out of the puppet master's control.
Our great Vojvoda leader said that, first of all, Grbavica is ours, and Sarajevo will be ours. Our church is there and will be ours again. We lost a lot of lives, a lot of Serbian lives. And that's why we're never going to give it up.
Who represents your political leadership? Who gave him this authority here?
Again, Šešel, which is a great man from the radical side, and gave the rank, Vojvoda, to Slavko Aleksić.
And when you say he's the real defender, what do you mean? The guys on Lukovica say they're the defenders.
No way. I mean, once you see the people, when they see Vojvoda, I mean, the tears come down. Children run to him. I mean, these people just count on him. They count on Vojvoda, and he's protecting this side so far, and he'll be protecting that side.
And what's he fighting for?
Great Serbia, of course, and Sarajevo first.
And do you feel you're backed in this by President Milosevic?
That's a whole different story. Me, I like the guy. You know, to me, he's a Chetnik. You know, and people might say he's communist or whatever, but